Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to install NanoMQ MQTT broker in the Raspberry Pi. Now in this video we will see how to deploy and run NanoMQ MQTT broker in the Docker. So I have ordered my Docker ready server from Virtuallabs.online. So if you want to order your own Docker ready server, then you can go to the home. Okay, and here we have the option to order the Docker ready server, and I have already ordered my Docker ready server. And if I go to my labs, then here you can see Docker virtual lab, and here is the credential of my Docker virtual server, and here is the link to access the terminal of my Docker ready server, and here I am accessing it. And if I type the Docker, then you will see that Docker is already installed in this system. Now we can deploy and run our NanoMQ MQTT broker in this Docker ready server. So what I can do is I can pull the NanoMQ MQTT broker image in the Docker using this command. So we will copy this command, we will paste it here, and then we will hit enter to pull the image of NanoMQ MQTT broker, and we are pulling the full image. Okay, we are not pulling the latest image or mini image, we are pulling the full image. Now we will use this command to run that image. So I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to paste it here, and I will hit enter. And the image is running, and if you want to check that it is running from last how many seconds, then we can use the command docker ps -a. Sorry, it's -a. Okay, and here you can see it is up and running from last 14 seconds. Now, as I have already explained, this is the virtual server, or you can say it's a server which is publicly available on the internet. Okay, and here is the public IP of this server. So our MQTT broker is running inside the Docker in the same server, so I can access this MQTT broker from anywhere in the world using this public IP address. Okay, so I can open my MQTT Explorer software, and I can connect with this broker which we have deployed in the Docker using this IP address. So I can copy this IP address, we will create new connection, we will paste that IP address here, and here in the command you can see our broker will be available on the port 1883, which is TCP port. Okay, so here you have to provide the port 1883, and here you have to press on the connect, and we are successfully connected with our NanoMQ MQTT broker. Also, I can open my another MQTT Explorer client. I can use the same IP address to connect with it. Okay, sorry, let me remove this and let me copy the IP address again. Okay, paste it and connect. So we are successfully connected with our public MQTT broker which we have deployed in this virtual server, or you can say public server, and here is the public IP address. Okay, and we are successfully connected. Now I'm going to publish some test data from this client, and that will be available in my another client. Okay, so here is the topic which is test, and I'm going to publish few values here, and that should be available here in my second client. And if I want to publish something to the same topic, then I can publish another value from the same topic, and that will be available in my first client. Okay, so this is how you can deploy and run your NanoMQ MQTT broker from the Docker. Okay, you can also create your own Amazon Linux server using AWS. You can install this NanoMQ broker in that system, and then after you can access your own private MQTT broker from anywhere in the world using the public IP address which is related to your virtual machine. Okay, and if you want to try it out, then you can use this Virtuallabs.online to create your own Docker ready server, and once your NanoMQ broker image is running, then you can access your NanoMQ MQTT broker using this public IP address and the port number 1883, and here you can see our both the client is connected. So if you have any IoT application in which you want to publish and subscribe to some data from remote location, then you can use this method to create your own server, to install Docker in that server, and to run NanoMQ image from the Docker, and you can access this broker from anywhere in the world. So I hope this thing is clear, that how to deploy and run NanoMQ MQTT broker in the Docker. And if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And the command to pull the image is here, okay, on our website. And command to run the Docker image is here to run the NanoMQ MQTT broker Docker image. So let's meet in the future videos. And if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you know where to ask. So till the next video, take care, goodbye, and thank you.